Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you what is Characterai Recap 2023 and how to use it. So let's get started. So if you are using like Characterai from 2023, so it will show. As per I am a new user, so it will not show in my device. So for example, you have open your Characterai and when you will just go to here chats, it will show your chats. For example, I go to explore. So here you can see it's a work AI. At here you can see at land down at here. So when you will just chat with the bot at here, it will show in your chats. So when whatever you have chatted previous year, it will show, it will reflect here. So this is the recap of the 2023 and it is made by the Characterai developers. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.